Hello traders. Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be going over how to use the Trusted Signals Doji Scalper. To add the Doji Scalper to your charts, go to the FX Indicators button. Click on Invite Only Scripts. Then click on Trusted Signals Doji Scalper. Now that we have the Doji Scalper on our charts, let's learn about it. The Trusted Signals Doji Scalper is our most basic trading algorithm. It is based on candle patterns that show potential market reversal points. The script has three different types of signals, which can be individually turned on and off. Doji signals, based entirely on the doji candle pattern, and two strong and weak candle reversal patterns. As a bonus, we have included RSI-based support and resistance bands that, if used correctly, can further confirm all the entry signals. The doji candle is one of the most famous patterns, followed closely by price action traders. A doji forms when the opening price of a candlestick is the same as the closing price, regardless of the price range. This pattern is an outcome of indecision in the market. A doji candlestick suggests a lack of control in the market, either by the bulls or the bears. Doji candle offers traders an early warning that there may be a change in market momentum or a possible change in direction if current conditions don't change. Remember that the possibility of a change of direction does not represent a guaranteed change of direction. Let's look at an example. In this example, we can see that price trades to the downside. We can then see that price gives us a doji candle. You can also see that the doji candle formed at our RSI support line, which makes the doji signal stronger. We can enter for a buy position, with stops below the RSI support, and take profit set to the RSI resistance. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future strategy and guide videos. All links for Trusted Signals will be in the description below. I will see you in the next video.